Culligan has been a global provider of end-to-end water treatment solutions for a variety of industries for over 75 years. From the water used in oil field steam injection to the water used in beverage production, Culligan answers the distinct needs of commercial and industrial clients with a streamlined approach called Culligan Matrix Solutions. With unparalleled service and revolutionary technology, Culligan Matrix Solutions offers customers one source for end-to-end water treatment solutions designed to improve operations and the bottom line. Culligan Matrix Solutions is built on a modular product platform that provides several key benefits to both Culligan dealers and customers. It features the ability to mix and match components and subsystems to provide customized, cost-effective solutions quickly by considering both capital and operating costs as a part of the design. The main modules in the Culligan Matrix Solutions product line include pre-treatment, membranes, deionization, storage, and distribution. As a dealer, the Culligan Matrix Solutions modular concept allows you to position yourself as a solutions provider to your prospective customers, as opposed to just an equipment vendor. Culligan's valve technologies, including top-mount valves, side-mount valves, and valve nests, build the base product. And the Culligan Smart Controller is used across all of our pre-treatment valve technologies. Multiple add-on packages, including monitoring, communications, efficiency, and multi-tank, provide additional functionality based on customer requirements. These packages allow Culligan dealers to provide clear upgrade paths to customers. One such value proposition is found in the revolutionary Hi-Flo XN valve series. The Hi-Flo XN series features a Culligan exclusive all-plastic 2-inch valve designed for reliability and ease of service, with fewer service parts than a traditional valve, offering several key benefits to Culligan dealers and customers. The new design requires only 3 valves for a fully functional valve nest, compared to 5 in a traditional steel or composite valve nest. Plus, the valve nest is now much lighter and can be installed more easily, in most cases by one individual. Simply position the pre-assembled valve nest and connect the unions to the top and bottom of the media tank. As usual, the media should be loaded before attaching the valve nest to the tank. If an aqua sensor is used for regeneration initiation, it is installed through the flange at the top of the tank. Each valve consists of the piston, the sleeves, and the drive system, all enclosed inside the lightweight, rust-proof plastic valve body. The piston movement opens and closes flow paths and controls the valve operation. It is DC motor-driven and does not require a compressor or pilot valve. It is self-cleaning and provides a better sealing surface than a diaphragm design. And because of the open flow path design, it is better suited for problem water applications. To service the valve, remove the screws on the top of the valve and separate the top of the valve housing from the bottom. You will now have access to the piston, valve sleeves, and optical sensor for easy maintenance or replacement. The drive system consists of the motor, gears, and optical sensor, and it controls the movement of the piston. The DC motor uses less electricity and provides more torque, so the piston is less likely to get stuck in a specific position compared to an AC motor. The optical position sensor has no moving parts, which means less wear compared to a conventional mechanical switch. The valve sleeves provide a smooth sealing surface and guide the piston travel. The sleeves are designed to minimize wear on the O-ring and for ease of service. The user interface on the Hi-Flo XN series is the same as all other Culligan commercial and industrial softeners and filters, simplifying training and use. The valve has 3 operational positions based on the movement of the piston. In the upper position, port A is blocked and port B is open to port C. The middle position blocks all ports. Water does not enter or exit the valve. When the piston is in the lower position, port C is blocked and port A is open to port B. A Hi-Flo XN series valve nest consists of 3 single valves working in concert to treat incoming raw water and produce softened or filtered water during the 5 cycles in a typical softener operation. The service cycle is the normal softening cycle. Valve 1 is in the lower position. Valve 2 is in the upper position. and valve 3 is in the middle position. Raw water enters valve 1, where port A is open to port B and flows to the top of the media tank. Next, water flows through the media, and the treated water exits at the bottom of the media tank and is routed through valve 2, where port B is open to port C. Treated water exits through valve 2 to service. The first cycle of regeneration is the backwash cycle. Valve 1 is in the upper position, valve 2 is in the middle position, and valve 3 is in the lower position. Raw water enters through valve 1, where port B is open to port C and flows to the bottom of the media tank and up through the media. Water exits at the top of the media tank and is routed through valve 3, where port A is open to port B. Hard water exits through valve 3 to the drain. During the brine draw cycle, valve 1 and valve 2 are in the middle position, and valve 3 is in the upper position. All 3 ports on valve 1 are blocked, and raw water is directed from the inlet water supply through an eductor. As a result, a vacuum is created, and brine is drawn from the brine tank. The raw water and concentrated brine are combined and flow to the top of the media tank and down through the media. Used brine exits through the bottom of the media tank and is routed through valve 3, where port B is open to port C. Used brine exits valve 3 to the drain. For the slow rinse cycle, the valves are in the same positions and behave in the same way as the brine draw cycle. Water flows through the media bed and exits through valve 3 to drain. The only difference is that no brine is educted. During the fast rinse cycle, valve 1 is in the lower position, valve 2 is in the middle position, and valve 3 is in the upper position. Water enters through valve 1, where port A is open to port B, and flows to the top of the media tank. Next, the water flows through the media bed and exits through the bottom of the media tank and through valve 3, where port B is open to port C. Water exits through valve 3 to the drain. The refill cycle uses the same valve positions and water flow as the service cycle. In addition, the refill solenoid is open and water flows to the salt storage tank to prepare brine for the next regeneration. The new Hi-Flo XN Series 3-way valve is just another way that Culligan Matrix Solutions has leveraged our many years of expertise into a streamlined approach to solving customer needs.